When you search for the best Nordictrack T Series treadmill, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: T Series 5 Starter Treadmill. The T Series 5 Starter Treadmill caught my eye with its affordable price of $599 and solid 4.2-star rating from over 1,700 reviews. If you want a treadmill that offers great features for beginners without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes this treadmill really shine is its connectivity with iFIT, which opens the door to over 10,000 workouts. Imagine having a personal trainer adjusting your treadmill speed and incline in real time. This is a game changer for your fitness routine. The 5-inch LCD display is clear, allowing you to see your workout stats easily, and the 0-10% incline can ramp up your sessions to help you burn more calories and target different muscle groups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out, the KeyFlex cushioning means less impact on your joints while you walk or run. This feature is crucial for anyone worried about injury. Plus, the Active Pulse feature, though it requires a Bluetooth-enabled heart rate monitor, helps keep your cardio in check. Now, some people complained about the size of the treadmill. It's designed for compact spaces, which might not suit everyone. But here's the thing, if you are limited on space, its compact design and foldability are real perks. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into home fitness without a hefty investment. Skip this one if you're an experienced runner needing higher performance specs. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the compact design of the T Series 5 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: T 6.5S Treadmill. Next up is the T 6.5S Treadmill, priced at $799 and boasting a 4.4-star rating from nearly 30,000 reviews. If you want a treadmill that grows with you, this is worth a serious look. This model offers some exciting features, like a foldable design, making it perfect for smaller spaces. The KeyFlex cushioning is a lifesaver for your joints, reducing the impact on your knees, which is something many users appreciate. Here's why this matters. The Smart Adjust technology optimally adapts to your workout, meaning you won't get stuck in a rut. It also has Bluetooth connectivity for a seamless experience with iFIT, letting you access trainers and adjust settings automatically, which is incredibly motivating. Now, some users mention that the assembly process can be a bit tricky. I'll be real with you, if you're not handy, that might be a hassle, but once it's up and running, it really pays off in convenience. This is perfect for you if you want a treadmill that offers flexibility and advanced features. Skip this if you're not ready for the commitment of a membership for the iFIT program. Overall, it's a great treadmill for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more advanced features. Product number 3: Fully Assembled One-Click Fold Treadmill. Coming in at $699.99, the fully assembled one-click fold treadmill from Sunny Health and Fitness is another strong contender with a 4.4-star rating. If you want a totally hassle-free setup and great features, this is worth a serious look. What makes this treadmill stand out is that it comes fully assembled. You can literally pull it out and start your workout within seconds. The spacious 20-inch running surface gives you plenty of room to move comfortably, important for anyone who feels cramped on smaller treadmills. Plus, the 15% incline and smooth 2.5 HP motor let you really ramp up your intensity. Here's why this matters. With 24 preset programs, you can easily switch things up to keep your workouts engaging. Now, some users did mention that the foldable design can be a bit bulky to store. Here's the thing though, if you have room to spare, the added stability and features make it a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you prioritize a quick setup and a spacious running area. Skip this one if you have very limited storage space, as it can take up a good amount of room. For the cost, you're getting a lot for your money. Now, if the assembly and size of the last treadmill concerned you, the next one might surprise you. Product number 4: T Series 10 Treadmill. The T Series 10 treadmill is next on our list at $999.99 and has a 3.7-star rating. If you want a treadmill that combines more advanced technology with a solid workout experience, this is worth a serious look. What caught my attention with the T Series 10 is the 10-inch tilting touchscreen. Running up to 12 mph and a 0-12% incline means you can challenge yourself effectively. Plus, the SelectFlex cushioning lets you adjust the surface to your comfort level, which is a unique feature not every treadmill offers. Here's why this matters. The ability to customize your running surface means less strain on your joints, which is essential if you want to maintain a consistent workout routine long-term. The iFIT Pro membership gives you access to a wide variety of workouts and classes that can keep you engaged. Now, I've seen some complaints about the price point. It's higher than some other models, and that's a valid concern. But if you're serious about your fitness and want a treadmill that offers more functionality, it might just be worth that investment. This is perfect for you if you're someone who enjoys tech-savvy features and a varied workout. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as it does come with a premium price tag. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price of the T Series 10 made you hesitant, this last treadmill might just be the perfect balance. Product number 5, Strider Foldable Treadmill. Finally, we have the Strider Foldable Treadmill at an attractive price of $599.99 and a rating of 4.1 stars. If you're looking for an accessible option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. One of the best things about this treadmill is its user-friendly setup and the fact that it folds up quickly for storage. It's perfect for those with limited space. The 20-inch wide running belt provides a comfortable area to run, and the shock absorption technology helps protect your joints during your workout, which is something many users appreciate. Here's why this matters. It has access to thousands of trainer-led videos which can keep your routine fresh and exciting. Plus, with 12 preset workouts, it caters to various fitness levels, ensuring you can always find something that suits your needs. Now, some users have mentioned that the motor can be a bit noisier than they expected. But honestly, if you're in a household where noise isn't a major concern, this shouldn't deter you from checking it out. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers on essential features. Skip this if you need a higher performance treadmill for advanced workouts. Given the price, it offers solid value for what you get. So to wrap up, we've explored some fantastic Nordictrack T Series treadmills. The T Series 5 for budget-friendly newcomers, the T6.5S for those wanting a bit more, the hassle-free fully assembled one-click fold, the tech-savvy T Series 10, and the compact Strider Foldable Treadmill. With options for every need and budget, you can find one that fits your fitness journey just right.